DJT Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that. I'm covering all that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And yes, I'm just looking at the Trump media and technology stock. I mean, it's getting closer and closer, but still nothing changed the fact that it's in such a bearish market. This is how my chart's looking like. I've made more videos than anyone else in this space, man, like 39,000 video proof. Also just so many receipts on DJT itself. But looking at this is the current range that we're in. So if I'm not saying that it will come down by any means, but I'm saying that if I see this red thing happening and there's that double break, then you bet I'm looking to take things further lower. Because can you see how we have been delivering, how we've been performing for lately, you know, since November 2024, so that's like 5 months something, right? I'll say quite harsh. So that's how DJT is looking like. It's obviously not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. See you in the next one. Goodbye.